Sanjay Hegde, the point is we can have these esoteric and academic debates here in studios. But the fact is, whether it is Uttar Pradesh, whether it is Hyderabad, whether it is Tamil Nadu, whether it is Badlapur, these extrajudicial killings have the support and the backing of the people of this country. We saw it in Badlapur today, where celebrations are happening. We saw it in Hyderabad, when the police team went to the spot, they were showered with petals. There is a reason for it. The reason for it is that we simply have given up any hope as far as our judiciary dispensing justice is concerned. Because it is Tariq pe Tariq. If Nirbhaya's parents had to wait 11 years to see her rapist hanged, God knows there is no hope for anyone else. Agar hope hi nahi hai justice ka, so maybe this instant justice is the best way to end the story.
If the people of the country decide that we do not want courts, we do not want lawyers, we will trust our liberties to the tender mercies of the police force and the home minister of the day, then there is nothing really to say that we are a country ruled by the rule of law. The point is that you have a legal system. If it doesn't work, why does it not work? It doesn't often work because you do not have enough courts. You have about 15 judges per million population, when most countries which have advanced schemes of plea bargaining and where every matter doesn't go to court have about 100 judges per million population. Governments do not get elected by saying we will create more courts, we will have a better justice delivery system. Governments seek cheap popularity, and that's a fault of the people also, that we start saying, okay, if you can't get them through the court process, shoot them. Now, when policemen are given the license to kill, what often happens is, at first it is the poor, the weak who get killed, like this man. By all accounts, he was not a rich man. As you said, he was handcuffed inside and put inside the police van. And suddenly, miraculously, he has Superman-like powers to break his handcuffs or get free of them, grab a revolver, shoot a couple of policemen before getting shot himself. Now, this is the stuff of fairy tales. But this is a kind of excuse given every time. Now, if you would analyze the wounds that the policemen suffer, they also have that technique down pat. They are mere flesh wounds at non-vital parts of the anatomy, and it would be very interesting to match the bullet with the weapon, which is alleged to have been used. Thereafter, the policeman shoot him. You also have to match those bullets with the weapons which were there with the policeman. If things go through a rigorous magisterial inquiry and forensic analysis, the truth will be out. Now, what often happens in encounters is that encounters are done so that there is damage limitation. The poor person who is accused, who has not had a trial, who has not had a complete investigation also, once he's out of the way, then the case can be closed and say that there's no purpose in investigating further. As Clyde Crasto told you, this was a person who's employed at a school which has trustees who are from the ruling party in the state. Did the trustees know what exactly was he doing in the school? Was he only pandering to himself, or were there other people involved? There are so many questions. Now, those questions have all died with the man. So what is required is that we as a people should ask questions of our police and of our investigatorial teams. Last thing, you spoke about Hyderabad, how people showered flowers. What has happened after that? After that, the Supreme Court ordered an inquiry, and the policemen are having a tough time defending themselves in that inquiry. And they've been doing everything to try and derail the inquiry, which is by retired Supreme Court judges. If you do not want the truth to come out, bring it down to the poorest man possible, shoot him, and then ascribe all the evils to him. You have killed a scapegoat, and with that, you've tried to bury the truth.
Were there questions that have died along with Akshay Shinde? That is a point that the opposition is raising. That is a point that Sanjay Hegde is raising. We will never know. The man is now dead. Ladies and gentlemen, the Maharashtra police can keep giving the versions it is giving, but the fact is their versions have big holes in them. There are big holes in them, Krishna Hegde. Yes, you can come in for 20 seconds and then I have to wrap the show. Go ahead, Mr. Hegde, 20 seconds.
Yeah, first of all, the man is a serial sexual pervert. And over that, then you add his name with the trustees of the school. And then you make them BJP leaders. Are they office bearers of BJP? Can you show me which office they are holding in the Bharatiya Janata Party? There is no such proof of that. Just making an allegation and getting away with the allegation is not right. Secondly,
no, there is a trustee. No, there is a trustee who's directly linked to the BJP. In fact, the charge is that the Maharashtra police did not file an FIR for 11 hours because they were trying to brush the issue under the carpet because the school was associated with someone in the BJP.
Please enlighten me. What was his post in the BJP and how is his connection with a sexual pervert just because he worked in a school? Now you are saying just because that person died, he was a sexual pervert. Now the trustee is linked and now he's linked with the BJP. I think too many chains are being joined here for no reason. And the NCP honorable spokesperson was saying that we were talking about the ambit of the law, and their ambit of the law means put him in a chauraya and hang him in a chauraya. Is that the ambit of the law? So please do not have two-faced and do not defend rapists. That is I want to tell the opposition. And be fair. You have given justice, if not justice by law, you have given a natural justice to the victims, the kids there, and to his own wife who has complained against him. And this is a serial sexual pervert. And if he has died, I don't think too many people should shed too many tears on this.
Mr. Hegde, and there are two Mr. Hegde.